So hey guys, I'm Larson. So in this vlog we're actually going to be done something interesting. What we're actually going to do today is actually we are actually going to clean my place at there, which is it's quite messy right now. So that's the reason actually I just brought this clothes so that we can just wipe these things all the behind here. You can see lots of dust and so on. So that's what we're actually going to see in this vlog. So without further delays, let's start today's vlog. So firstly actually what we're actually going to do is I wanted to place everything onto here in this bed so that I could actually clean everything smoothly and so on. So let's do that first.
Why am I so afraid just to say a hello? Hey. Or to pick up the phone just to say what is up? It's been a long time and I've been thinking, give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing. Yeah.
So feeling quite tired after take everything and put it in this bed. As you can see, everything is actually in at here, starting with my laptop, and after that you can see other technology stuff with my mouse and some other things over here. So now what we're actually going to do is I'm gonna take this and clean every single thing over here. It's because, can you guys see here, if I'm not wrong, let me just zoom in. So as you can see here, it's quite dust because when we erasing, the dust will come out, right? Because that's the reason. You can see everywhere you can see that. And some more here is a paper and so on. We're actually going to clean everything. So without further delays, let's start cleaning. So what we're actually going to do first is that I'm actually going to keep this wire at its place. Then we're actually going to start cleaning everything
later.
So I'm not good in cleaning, but still I just able to finish some of the things. I finished most of the things that here. Hope you guys can see the difference. As you guys can see just now, I show that here I have some dust and I clean it, then don't have anything. At here you cannot see any at here you cannot see anything. So yeah, now what I actually going to do is I'm gonna arrange everything back to there. And so yeah, so before everything, what I actually going to do is I'm gonna pick some things that I not use and I want to keep it everything over here. Just a few things that I'm actually not use and so on. So now we are actually going to entering the how to tell the exacting part that I'm actually going to arrange everything back to my
all the
place.
dumb things we did when we were only little children. Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision of what our life would be like if we were dreaming and together we were wishing. Cause now I'm living in the city and you're back home, and all I'm
So
doing
we
is
actually already cleaned everything. So now the balance thing is actually I need to keep this one at here. So finally we just done with our cleaning and stuff on. So now this is the thing that I actually needed to clean up, but all this is actually one of my important thing for editing and so on, right? So I don't know how you guys like this video, because I guess so. For me, I guess so. This video is fully of montages and time lapse and so on. But I don't know how it feels for you guys. And it's because I don't have any content to do for vlogs basically. So that's the reason actually I planning for cleaning my table for long days. I think so already, like many weeks before. So I just plan to take it as a vlog, I guess, because if not, I won't do that. Yeah. And thank you for everyone who subscribed to this channel, because we finally hit 40 plus subscribers. And yeah, that's the vlog. I hope that you guys like this vlog. Okay, yeah. And I just show the last output of this thing. So this is the output. I know it's not that different compared to the boat one, but still, if you guys have any suggestion to keep my laptop this side or keep my laptop that side or keep the light this side or something, if you guys have any or suggestion, feel free to comment your suggestion below so that I will consider it. So with that say, I'm ending this vlog at here. Soon we will be meeting in another vlog.